Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman speaks on RBI rate hike at the Economic Times Awards, says she was not surprised by the hike, calls it a globally synced event.
It came as a surprise because it's between the two MPCs. But if US Fed had been saying it all the while, and the last MPC, I think the RBI sort of gave an indication that it's time for them to also act. It's the timing which came as a surprise to many, but the act itself, people thought, should have been done anyway. To what extent could have varied. So, in a way, it was a synchronized action. Australia did it, US is going to do it, and that night US really did take the first measure. So I see a greater understanding among central banks nowadays. And obviously when they meet at the World Bank meet in Washington, there's a lot exchanged as well. But the understanding of how to handle recovery from pandemic is not therefore unique or typical for only India. It's a global issue. And even as we handle that recovery, inflation, which is really festering at some unbelievable highs in, let us say, the United States and in UK, not so much in India, but still the challenge of recovery versus inflation seems to be following a particular template which is across the globe.